Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on your journey as a creator, the most important thing that you have is the people who support you. And so today I'm going to give a thank you to my older subscribers and supporters and some of the new ones as well. And when I say original subscribers and supporters, I mean people who were there at the beginning when I started Geek Outdoors in October 2015. And so this is in no specific order. And if I miss any of y'all, I apologize, but you know who you are. And so I want to thank Rose. I want to thank Vasil, Penguins of Gaza, or Gimp of Gaza, Lance, Shatter, KI2NE. And I think those were the originals who've been around and they're still here. And then for newer people, I want to thank Gerard Craig, Lumar Lee, and Carlos Henrique, and X-Band TV. I've seen you consistently on the comment areas in the videos, and even when I did my live videos, and some people are wondering if I'm going to do those again. I might do them again in the future. They were there as well. And so I really want to thank all of you for that. And if you've been around my channel for a long time, you know that I've always been grateful and thankful ever since the beginning. But I just want to reiterate that, because as whatever you create grows and it gets larger, it's going to be harder and harder for you to connect with everyone, especially the people who were there at the beginning and who are still here now. And so I didn't want to make it seem like I forgot all of you, because I haven't. And so thank you very much. And also for all of the new subscribers and supporters, thank you to you as well, because whenever you do become a creator, it's just really hard to explain the feeling that you get when there's people, strangers that you've never met before, who actually support what you do. When even in the real world, people around you, when you're starting this out, they're probably not going to support you. And that's the reality, unless they've had success themselves doing this. And so for all of you everywhere, all the geeks out there, thank you so much. And just know that even though I might not get to all the comments or respond to everything, just know that I am thankful and grateful. And hopefully you stick around and keep supporting this entire geek community. So thanks to all of you for watching. If you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave them in the comments area below. And then share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.